Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Drones can be accepted as checked-in baggage only. If you have a drone in your checked-in baggage, you'll be asked to secure the lithium batteries within the drone or remove the batteries and carry them in your cabin baggage.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
We do not recommend that you place your DJI Mavic Mini in the hold when you fly. Instead, we recommend that you bring your DJI Mavic Mini, its batteries and accessories with you in your carry-on baggage, or carry-on baggage. This way, it will remain close to you at all times.
Take our lead.
You can fly a drone in Bali under these rules. Do not fly higher than 150 meters without a permit. Do not fly over people, crowds or gatherings. Only fly during daylight hours and good weather. Do not fly your drone near airports or in any area aircraft are operating.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Batteries rated for 101 to 160 watt-hours batteries installed in a drone are acceptable, as well as up to 2 spare batteries in your carry-on. These batteries installed in a drone are also able to be checked, again with airline approval. However, spare batteries of this size cannot be packed in checked baggage.
Take our lead.
If you're bringing a camera bag or case onto the plane to keep it with you, you'll be required to pull the cameras out of the bag and place them inside a bin for X-ray screening while passing through the standard security lanes.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
You will need to register your drone, or if it's registered in another country, obtain permission from CASA to operate in Australia. This is a similar process to registering your drone. Get accredited or obtain a remote pilot license (RPL), depending on the weight of the drone you intend to fly.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.